What if
Okay.
like, jack the hell out of him?
That's alright. You can do whatever you want.
You'll be fine, bro.
David, get him.
Will you be fine? Will you be fine?
Just don't knock my TV down,
Yeah,
David.
just don't hit the TV.
Manuel, you're punching like a little girl.
I don't have strength.
David, come on, get him.
I don't want him to like knock down the TV.
No.
Hit him towards the bed.
Towards the bed?
Yeah, go the other way. There you go. Manuel, hit hard. You're not hitting him hard.
No, chill.
Bro, you're fine, bro. You have like a helmet on.
Get him, David.
It hurts.
Did it really?
It only has fatty here.
Alright, that's one for David.
Alright.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Come on.
I'm not putting that thing back in your mouth.
Hey, come on. Yo, hit me, Lord.
Come on.
David, get him.
Come on.
Manuel, you have to use both hands.
Why are you backing up? Put your shoulder pads on or something.
What?
Come on. Stand right here.
You're gonna hit me right here. Don't do that shit hurt.